Okay, you asked for it. Here's another day in the life. We are at 1,000 trails, and tomorrow is the end of our 14 days, and we have to move. So, me and the pups stayed behind today to get some housekeeping done. We're going to clean up outside, and I don't really pack outside. This is Cedric's domain. I'm just merely kind of cleaning things up, picking up the trash, moving things out of the way, getting it ready so when he comes home, he could pretty much just pack it up and put it away without having to do a whole lot. He's out working today, and we are out getting ourselves together and getting ready to shove off to our next location. So a lot of what I do is pretty much not spring cleaning, but just kind of straightening up to get in the travel mode. And so I kind of semi pack things up. And so out here, I am really just cleaning the rug, putting things in order, so he could just kind of pick it up and put it wherever it is he stores it, because he has a system of how he stores things. So today's video is pretty much going to be about us getting ready to move on to our next space and what it is that I do. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comment section below. If you're new to this channel, welcome to Finding Erica. We'd love to have you like, subscribe, and share whatever content you think would be helpful to your community. All right, you guys, we're almost done out here. Let's finish up and get on inside. Okay, now here inside, I've already done a lot of the work, so I'm just kind of wiping things down, getting rid of some dishes in the sink, getting some last minute stuff done. And then before we get into travel mode, I will take the stuff off the counters and put them in their travel containers or on the floor. Okay, you guys, we are, oh my goodness. I shouldn't even did this video till I comb my hair, but anyways, we're going ahead to do laundry. Part 2. Day 2. My boring RV life. Laundry. What I was talking about. Now they're using these new machines where you can tap your card or you can slide it in the chip. Now this I don't mind, because the wash machine, it is what it is, you pay that. It is the dryers that you don't have a choice. They have a set time and you have to pay whatever it is. So if you only need like an hour, you don't get to choose an hour. You have to choose whatever the preset is and you have to pay it. So that's the only thing I don't like. But that laundry facility is really nice. Early morning bird gets the thing. I'm going to set my timer so I know it's time to come back. We're going to get back to the doggies. Guys, we made it back, and the welcoming committee is waiting for us to come back. Noodle is so loyal. He will be waiting for you no matter where you are. Pepper, on the other hand, is probably somewhere on the couch, but Noodle is going to be waiting for you. And there's Pepper Girl on the couch. Say hi, Noodle. You ready to come out? Come on out. Okay, laundry has been folded. And now I'm getting ready to shove it in here. And this is why we need an additional closet, y'all. This is my dilemma. I have so much clothes. And then up here, it's busting at the seams. So, well, let's shove these clothes away. All right, you guys, time to make some lunch, and then we're gonna end this video because it's been 2 days. And some famous cup of noodles, and then I have some chicken I'm gonna add to it and some corn. Just gonna heat that up, put it in there. So we're gonna start on this. We're gonna get some corn, and I'm gonna put the corn in with this, warm it up, and then drop it in there. We're gonna have some lunch and sit down and relax. I hope you guys enjoyed my boring RV life, because all we literally did was clean up outside, clean up inside, and do laundry. Tomorrow is moving day, and we're gonna be getting ready for that, and so that'll be a whole nother video. I did a lot of the prep work for that today, so I don't have to do it tomorrow. And so yeah, I'm excited to get moving to our new space. So hang in there, you guys. Just another day in the life. See you soon. Okay, you guys, as you can see, we're on the run. I told you we were on the run. So now we got the house hooked up. We are moving north of where we are because down here there is no places. So it's moving day, and you're going with us. This is another day in my boring RV life, travel day. This is something special, and we are always moving around. We're always doing something. So to the next adventure, you guys. Noodle and Pepper in tow. How you doing? Noodle and Pepper in tow. And so we're heading North Florida. I'm trying to drag Sid over to Louisiana because he's never been. And get on the bayou and say stuff like baby.
Baby. Coming out, get it.
All right, you guys, let's hit the road. Yes, you see right, the hood is up. Something's happening under the hood, y'all. We're trying to get to where we're going, and there's always something happening under the hood. But the right man for the job is trying to figure it out. All right, y'all, it feels like we've been traveling all day, and we are now stopping to get propane because guess what?
We don't have any.
Not at all. And we have 3 tanks, and none of them have any in there. You know when we found out? This morning when it was cold. So we stopped. We're about an hour and 10 minutes from our destination.
64 miles.
Yes, and we're supposed to be there before 9 o'clock. Apparently, you can't get in after 9. So we're due to be there at 7:05. I'm shooting more like 8 o'clock.
Yeah, looks like we're setting up in the dark, fellas.
He's setting up in the dark. Because if it was up to me, I would have eliminated 2 stops of his. But because I'm not driving, I don't even worry about it. It's like, honey, if you need to stop, stop. I do like to make good time because I understand that my husband gets cranky behind the wheel after a certain amount of time. And I really just be trying to keep things pleasant. So I know how long he can travel. And we are at his limit. And so if he needs to stop and walk 500 times, so be it. We'll get there when we get there. I figure you guys were sick of looking at the road videos of us traveling down the road. So I'm just stopping and giving you guys updates and stopping and kind of talking to you, letting you know where we are. Where we're headed, right outside of Tallahassee in the Panhandle. So that's where we're headed to. So, yep, I'm excited. New adventure. I'm trying to get Cedric to go over to Louisiana. Louisiana has some really nice state parks down by the water. And I don't know. I don't know if he's going to go for it or not. But we'll see. All right, stay tuned. Sorry, y'all. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, as you can see, we are breaking our own rule. We always say do not travel at night to try to get to your destination before dark, so you're not trying to set up in the nighttime and fumbling around, especially if you don't know the park or your site. We almost hit a deer as we got close. He was standing in the middle of the road and Cedric had to come to a complete stop. So don't do it. All right, we made it to our destination, and Honey is getting us ready to go inside, and right behind there is the lake. And so you guys will be able to check out everything tomorrow. I'm going to get inside and get cleaned up, get ready to go. But my baby got this thing in here. You could better see it in the morning, but he is leveling us out, and we're going to get busy inside. Thank you for watching, you guys. Check out my website. The link is in the bio. See you in the next video, because you never know where we might end up. Bye for now.